Confused about how to shed those extra pounds? Well, let's bust some common weight loss myths and unveil the truth behind them. Myth 1. Low-fat diets are the key to weight loss. Wrong. Cutting out all fats isn't the solution. Our bodies need healthy fats to function properly. Myth 2. Skipping meals helps you lose weight faster. False. Skipping meals can actually slow down your metabolism and make you more prone to overeating later. Myth 3. Cardio is the best exercise for weight loss. Not necessarily. While cardio burns calories, strength training helps build muscle, boosting your metabolism in the long run. Myth 4. Eating at night makes you gain weight. This is a misconception. It's not about the time you eat, but the number of calories you consume throughout the day. Myth 5. Weight loss supplements guarantee results. Nope, most supplements are not regulated and can have harmful side effects. Focus on a balanced diet and exercise instead. Myth 6. Cutting carbs entirely leads to weight loss. False. Our bodies need carbohydrates for energy. Instead, opt for healthier options like whole grains and fruits. Myth 7. Starving yourself is an effective weight loss method. Absolutely not. Starvation can lead to muscle loss, nutrient deficiencies, and even metabolic damage. Remember, the key to successful weight loss is a combination of a balanced diet and regular physical activity. Thanks for watching our video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more myth-busting tips and informative content.